Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Inkscape in your computer in a very simple way. How you can do that, just simply open any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Inkscape. And here it is, and then you're going to get the inkscape.org, the official website. If you click on that, then you're going to get the download option over here. It's automatically installed. In your time it didn't automatically install, then you have to click on this download option and select on current stable version, and after that you're going to get the Windows installer package. So if you click on MSI, and from here you can see the installation is again started. So I'm going to click on this two times to install, and you can see that the installation or the setup wizard comes in. Click on next another time and install, and it's a very simple way to install it. So now it's installing. It will take some more seconds to complete. Keep your patience, and there will be a permission. Click yes. Now you can simply see the installation is completed. Now if you click on the finish button, and here is your Inkscape over here. So if you click on it for the open, and you can see that it's rightly opening in your computer in a very simple way. So this is how you can simply download and install Inkscape in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.